Three solutions. Let's see, first one is a word problem. It's one of those running problems. I start running south. My dog starts running east. She runs 1 mile per hour faster than I do, and after an hour we are the square root of 61 miles apart. So this distance right here is root 61. It might seem like I'm making a really difficult number there, but I chose that because it'll make it all work out nicely. Let's see, so they're saying to let x be my speed and my dog be x plus 1 because she's running 1 mile per hour faster than I am. Okay, so let's see, I'm running south, so my speed is x, and I run for one hour, so my distance is also x. And her speed is x plus 1 times 1 hour. Her distance is x plus 1. So let's see, we know this squared plus this squared equals this squared. So x squared plus x plus 1 squared equals the square root of 61 squared. Let's see, x plus 1 squared is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Square root of 61 squared is 61. So if you subtract 61 from both sides, you get 2x squared plus 2x is equal to 60. 2x squared plus 2x is equal to negative, let's see, how should I do this? 2x squared plus 2x minus 60 equals 0. Maybe that's a better way. And we should divide everything by 2. X squared plus x minus 30 equals 0. It'd be nice if this factored. We just have to find two numbers that multiply to negative 30, add to 1. Let's see, I think positive 6 and negative 5 will do the trick. So my speed is either negative 6 miles per hour, which doesn't make much sense, or positive 5 miles per hour. So my solution is that x equals 5. How fast am I running? My speed was x, so I'm running 5 miles per hour. Moving on to number 2. Let's see, express in interval notation the set of values that satisfy this mess right here. What you want to do is factor out the top. Two numbers that multiply to negative 4, add to positive 3. So negative 3, negative 1. And when it's in this factored form, you can kind of look for all the critical points, all the points where any of these would be 0. This guy's 0 at 1, this guy's 0 at 2, this guy's 0 at 3. So if this is 1 right here, and that's 2, and that's 3, kind of the only place this thing could switch values are at these points. So we have these 4 regions. And so all you got to do is test a number in here, number in here, number in here, number in here, and you'll figure out whether all this stuff is positive or negative. So if we stick in a 0, you get a negative times a negative divided by a negative. So negative, negative, negative. Let's see, which is a positive divided by a negative, which is a negative number. Stick in maybe 1.5, negative, positive, negative. So it ends up being positive, 2.5, negative, positive, positive. Maybe 4, positive, positive, positive. So we want all values so that this thing is bigger than 0. In other words, when this thing is positive, which it looks like that happens here and here. So our answer is everything from 1 to 2, or from 3 to infinity. And that's the end of the quiz.